Hello everyone, today we will learn how to use Lightroom Presence for quick editing of the photographs. Once you choose photographs in the library, go to the develop mode by clicking the develop button on the top left panel. You can see the present in the left hand panel under the preview thumbnail. You can preview the change by hovering over the presence and see the effect on the photographs. You can transfer the effect to the photograph by clicking on the present. You can try different presents before you find something which you like. For example, this or this. So you can try different presents before you can find something which you like. This way you can save a lot of time on editing and can get some great result from Lightroom quickly. Thank you. See you again in the next tutorial.